You wait for days for a new leaf to unfurl. It's perfect, it's beautiful, but where are the splits?
Getting those iconic fenestrations isn't about luck or waiting forever. It's about sending your Monstera the right signals. Today, we learned the 3 secret signals that unlock the splits. The first and most important signal is light. In the wild, Monsteras develop splits to allow light to filter down to their lower leaves. So the first rule is sunbull. More light means a greater need for splits.
You're looking for bright, indirect light for most of the day. And here's a little secret. Unlike many houseplants, Monsteras actually love a little bit of gentle, direct morning sun. It fuels their growth. Here's a pro tip to know if your plant wants more light. Look for long, stretched-out stems between the leaves. This is called leggy growth, and it's your plant literally stretching to find a better light source.
Next, your Monstera needs to feel stable and secure. A chaotic environment tells the plant to save energy, not to produce big, fancy leaves. We create stability with the soak and dry watering method. Water thoroughly until it runs out the bottom, then wait for the top 2 inches of soil to completely dry before watering again. This consistency prevents the #1 killer of houseplants, root rot. Monsteras love humidity. If your home is dry, placing a small humidifier nearby or simply grouping your plants together will create a more humid microclimate, signaling a lush jungle environment that encourages mature growth.
And finally, the signal that truly tells your Monstera it's time to grow up: support. Fenestrations are a sign of a mature plant, and in nature, Monsteras mature by climbing. As the plant gets older and taller, its leaves naturally begin to split. But here's a pro tip: you don't have to wait. Giving even a small, young Monstera a simple stake to climb sends an early signal that it's safe to grow bigger and stronger. This support encourages it to start producing more mature, fenestrated leaves much sooner. So it's that simple. The signals of abundant light, a stable environment, and a path to climb upwards. By sending these 3 signals, you're not just giving your Monstera what it needs, you're inviting it to mature. Ready to continue our Monstera journey together? Show some love with a like and subscribe so you don't miss part 2. For everything else, you know what to do. Just leave it to me.